Today we have an exciting piece of tech news for you. We're talking about the latest addition to Google's smartphone family, the Pixel 7a. The phone was released recently on May 10th, 2023. With its dimensions of 152 by 72.9 by 9mm, the Pixel 7a offers a comfortable grip and it's quite light in the hand. It has an OLED display with HDR and a 90Hz refresh rate, so your scrolling will be smooth. And the best part? It's always on, so you can see all your important notifications at a glance without unlocking your phone. Under the hood, the Pixel 7a runs on Google's top Tensor G2 chip, and it comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This phone is designed to provide top-end performance comparable to high-end smartphones, and it runs on Android 13, which is fast, well optimized, and includes free access to Google's VPN. Moving on to the camera, the Pixel 7a boasts a 64 megapixels main camera and a 13 megapixels ultra-wide camera. The main camera captures detailed and dramatic images with excellent exposure levels, while the ultra-wide camera handles high contrast scenes exceptionally well. And the 13 megapixel selfie camera? Equally excellent. The phone also introduces a fun long exposure mode and a significantly faster low light mode. Now let's talk a bit about battery life. The Pixel 7a features a 4385 mAh battery that lasts about 34 hours between charges. As for charging, it supports up to 7.5 watts wireless charging and takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes to fully charge it using a USB-C adapter. A noteworthy aspect of the Pixel 7a is its sustainable design. It's made with recycled aluminium, glass and plastic, which account for about 21% of the phone by weight. Also, Google will recycle old devices free of charge, so it's a win-win for you and the environment. Coming to the price, the Pixel 7a costs £449, which is quite competitive when you consider the features and performance it offers. For comparison, the Pixel 7 costs £599 and the iPhone SE costs £449. In conclusion, the Pixel 7a is a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market, offering premium features at a competitive price. Check the next news videos about the Pixel Fold, which was also unveiled at the Google I/O 2023.